What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of the Kapihan podcast. We're on episode 10, and today we're going to talk about investments. So let's say you have 10,000 pesos on hand, and you are wondering kung saan mo pwedeng gastusin, or sorry, saan mo pwedeng ilagay yung pera mo. So it's either you save it in your bank accounts, spend it, or invest it. So the worst option is obviously spending it. So placing your money sa mga savings account is not a bad idea at all. However, the interest rate of some banks, are low. So it makes your money grow slower. So the best option for me is to invest it. So what is an investment? So it is an asset or item acquired with the goal of generating income or appreciation. So just a disclaimer, guys, I'm not a financial expert or kung ano man. These are just my thoughts, or ito lang yung uh, mga ideas na for me is makakatulong sa inyo to have an ano to make your money grow. So, I'm not a financial expert again, so kayo na bahala mag-judge. So to discuss the different types of investment. So, just to remind you, ito yung mga investment na I plan to do or I am currently doing. So, for the first investment that I plan to make this year is to establish a business. So, in the future, once I secure capital, so I plan to invest my mo- so I plan to invest my money on businesses. Because I can invest my interest or kung saan man ako inclined sa mga bagay na yun to invest there and form a business. So for me, I want to start a sneaker business. So it is one of the things that I have high interest on. So besides it being a good fit in the eyes, it has also it has a great value imprinted on it. So for example, no, if you are referring to hype kicks, not the GR sneakers. So for the hype kicks, for example, you are about to sell Jordan 13th Retro Flint. So in the Nike website, it costs around almost 9,500 to 10,000 pesos. So once na ma-secure mo yung item, no, if you check it, if you check the prices on StockX, it has a resale value of around 14,000 pesos. So any hype kicks, can be valued at a greater price. No? May bibili at bibili pa rin nan. So, yun yung plan ko, no? So, you see the difference, no? So, yung ma-earn mong money from just 10,000 pesos starting income, so makapag-gain ka ng 4,000 pesos at least or at most 4,000 pesos. So depending on your marketing skills. But the thing that you can learn here is actually if meron kang bagay na inclined ka or magaling ka or alam mo yung bagay, no, you can invest on it and earn money from it, 'di ba? So as the saying goes, no, if you're good at something, don't do it for free. So for example, you are good at sa mga ano ba? If you are good at sa AutoCAD, for example, you are an engineer. If you are an engineer, you are good at AutoCAD. Of course, besides sa sa 9 to 5 or 8 to 5 working schedule mo, no? At after that, you can do side hustle business, offer your skills to some companies there na need ng CAD support. You can do it. So if magaling ka sa mga editing skills sa mga photoshops, no, you can actually invest on that. You can start a business that from that. Tapos of course video editing and so much more na skills mo. You can start a business from it as long as you are of course uh, consistent and if you really want it talaga. If you really want to earn money from your skills. So the next investment that I actually ito yung investment na isa sa mga currently na this is one of the current investment that I have which is the cryptocurrency. So when you say cryptocurrency, ito yung mga Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, etc. etc. So I'm not gonna dwell on it kung ano yung mga kung ano ba yung cryptocurrency, but this kind of investment is isa siya sa mga high risk high reward type of investment, no. So like I said, I have an investment here. So I can attest to you na talagang mahirap itong part na to. Itong investment na to kasi it is a high risk high reward type. So it is a very volatile market. So at one point in the day, it can go high. It can go high as much as high as you can imagine, and then it possible na at the end of the day it can go to hell. The price can go to hell. Legit yun, guys. Kasi one time na I bought I think Bitcoin Cash ata yun or I think Bitcoin. So either of the two, uh I bought some parang nag-invest lang ako sa currency na yun. So, bago ako matulog, nag-gain ako ng at least 50% nung ininvest ko. Then, pagkagising ko na kinabukasan, so sobrang baba na ng presyo niya. So, ito yung risk ng cryptocurrency, no? So, I advise na wag masyadong malaking pera na ang i-invest nyo dito. Pero, profitable pa rin naman siya, no? So, it's up to your risk appetite kung kaya niyo yung loss na na makikita nyo or yung gain na makikita nyo. It depends on you. So as Mark Cuban said, yung iaalat nyo lang pera sa cryptocurrency is just yung kaya nyo lang mawala sa inyo. So for me, yung sa akin is kaya ko lang mawala is 500 since nga my uh, my salary is not that still fragile. Let's say my salary is still fragile to for that high risk high reward type of investment. So I invested 500 pesos. So yun nga, I gained a lot, then I lost a bunch of money from the 500 pesos. So that's one investment. So again, as a saying goes sa mga traders, tayo trade at your own risk. So if the crypto booms, good for you. But if it dips, I'm really sorry. But it's a good investment for the high risk takers. So the next investment that I actually currently plan to invest is sa mga crowdfunding. Uh, so you can try crowdfunding also. No? For definition, crowdfunding is practice of funding a project or venture by raising small amounts of money from a large number of people and promises a higher interest rate in return after its maturity. So sa sa mga pag-search ko, so I found Seed in PH, no? It's a crowdfunding app. So ito yung mga nagfa-fund ng mga itong company to, it funds projects or businesses, small businesses. They of course humihingi sila ng investment sa public and they promise the investors to per month may mga interest. So for example, nag-scroll down ako sa app nila and I see one business, yung offer nila is at around 16% interest rate. So babalik sa'yo 16% nung in-invest mo, no? So, yun yung isang perks niya. Sa seed in, no, may calculator sila. So, may calculator sila doon. If you plan to invest in that business, type in the amount of money that you want to invest, then papakita nila kung ano yung per month na money na babalik sa'yo and the final price na babalik sa'yo at the end of the maturity nung investment mo. So the good thing here is that you can start actually at 1,000 pesos. So you can try it, no, guys. For only 1,000 pesos, you can try it. So that's seed in, ano. So ito yung that's crowdfunding. So if you want to try it, guys, it's a good long-term investment. So if you're interested, you download Seed in PH. So for cryptocurrency pala, no, I use PDAX. So okay naman siya, but I have some issues. Pero hindi naman ganun kalaki. Pa more on trading more on sa mga trading percep paano ba to? Trading perception lang like charts and all. So yun lang, but it's a good app ano to invest. So medyo user friendly din. So the next investment, actually the last suggestion na or idea na sasabihin ko sa inyo, and actually I'm investing a lot of effort here sa investment na to kasi I see a lot of potential here, especially when you mastered kung paano mo siya ginagawa, no? So this is stock trading. So ito yung mga shares. Ito yung mga shares ng company na you buy. Then uh, of course you aim na tumaas yung price ng company, then you sell it para makuha mo yung gains mo. So here, you can do short term investing, medium term, or long term. So usually a lot of people do short term trading or what we call day trading. So maraming kinds of trading actually, no. You can search it naman sa internet. So most people invest in short term trades. Usually they stay in the stocks for about 1 week, 2 weeks, or actually di ko alam kung yung 1 month na yun is short term pa rin, but usually 1 week to 2 weeks. Weeks lang ang tinatagal ng short term. So sa mga talagang ginagawang job na yung trading, yung talagang actual traders, they use a lower time frame, usually in 5 minutes to 10-minute mark. So sa stocks na to, no, there are two analysis that we usually do. So there's technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So for technical analysis, we do it for short term, and fundamental analysis, we do it in long term trading. So for short term trading, as I said, technical analysis, we do that. So sa technical analysis, we analyze the price change per day, mga candlesticks. So we usually study the volume, the price change, the candlestick patterns, and many more. So by using this analysis, it can give you a projection kung paano yung price projection niya in the future. So you can actually, so pag once na nag-invest ka dun sa stocks na yun, kampante ka na tataas you'll have gains, no? As uh, as compared to long-term trading, no? Long-term trading takes usually months or years, no? For And ito talaga no. So wala kang pake kung nagtumaas tumaas or bumaba yung price niya ngayon or tomorrow or next week. Wala kang pake, no. You only study for the long term. So if you studied the fundamentals of the company itself, no, I think may pag-aaralan mo ata yung mga quarterly something more on reports, no. So once you kapag naaral mo na yung fundamentals niya and you deemed it na good shit siya, so you invest it and iwanan mo siya for about ilang years, no. Pwede, depende na sa'yo kung, but you know, long term trading is not still not, hindi pa rin siya, ang tawag dito, sure na you'll gain from it, no? Because in totality, stock trading is very unpredictable. So for me, last year I started last June ata or last June I started trading, and until the end of the year wala akong gain until this year, was January. I gained na, nabawi ko lahat ng losses ko. So, yun. So, if you are inclined to do stocks, go. Pero I advise to do virtual trading muna kesa mag-actual trading ka so that you may practice the strategies that you may learn or you may formulate sa future. So, you can use that. So, yun guys. So, to recap, no, these are the investments that I plan and currently doing. So I plan to invest on businesses. I am currently investing on cryptocurrency. I plan to invest in crowdfunding, and I am currently investing on stock trading. So these are some of the investments that I want to share to you guys. There are many more investments that are present, no, if you, but these are just the some of the investments na existing. So to wrap up this podcast, no, I thank you again for listening, and I hope I inspired you to invest your money the right way. So just to be clear, these investments are not easy to do, so it takes a lot of study and effort, no, to achieve proper returns in the future. So guys, no, it's better to let your money work for you than the other way around. So mabuti na yung may income ka per month. If you have may salary ka per month para may fixed income ka. So mas okay din kapag meron ka pang extra streams of income, such as what I shared to you. So that's it for today, and remember to dream big and believe. So, thank you pala kay Joseph Cabrera for the podcast art. And if you guys like the art that you are seeing, now you can check his IG on Greyhound Space Station. And shout out kay Earl Takneng. Bro, I miss you, bro.